Hadin bana kaliang kipait ba kila keno ba kila lap yu khau plastic lengba no khau ration ba kiyo bat nagi khau ba yo nagi school lani yu khau meet the meal kaba kate ka jinglap yu te yu khau artificial lani yu khau plastic kala pensir shikat de ye ki babun kipait ba kibala yo yu te yu khau plastic banwat ika jingshisha halor ute yu khau plastic na kaliang uri bhoi news ulahir shaka stock khau hai FCI go down kapah kasnong mausmai khatweimer ribhoi district hakabau lalai bani kandu yo divisional manager jongka shillong FCI u Bajrang Agarwal katkum ute yu divisional manager jongka shillong FCI habakran penshai halor ute yu khau uloong bakalong babakla banong bau khau artificial banong u khau plastic namar haka jingshisha udehi ukhau kumbai ngijubam karukom shet kalong kumju hendrai ukham bhapat khamantoi banbam dauni ukhau namar yoni ukhau la penwet shwa kum powder bar hadien katai kisa penkrelang bar gikenja belong vitamin haute ukhau bar ulo ongru baga jingthmu jongka sarkar India kapha khnang yuni ukhau shiki khna school lengba ka meet the meal namar baka India ka mat ka jingduna ki jingbam bak teimet khamtam ki khna kumta lengba uni ukhau on mentoi bhai ki khna habai dei hakaliang ka koi ka khia namar hauni ukhau la kanthub lani la khle lang bat ki kenja vitamins ki bala ban ai ka jingyo nong ya ka koi ka khia.
Actually, it is not artificial rice. It is known as fortified rice. You might aware that India was facing shortage of food grain when independence of India has given to Indian citizen. In 1965 when FCI was established, we are not able to feed the entire citizen of India because the production was less than the requirement. So in that between last 58 years, we are able to feed the nation by self-production, increasing production of India in so many ways. You might heard about the Green Revolution and other things. So now we are already win the hunger. Means India is now have freedom from hunger. But there is some hidden hunger. You may aware that malnutrition of child, because we are full of stomach but we don't get sufficient nutrients, micronutrients. So government of India has decided to provide fortified rice which have micronutrients like iron, folic acid, zinc, vitamin B12 and other minerals are there to win over the malnutrition. Presently government of India has decided to provide fortified rice under the scheme of MDM, mid-day meal scheme, which is for the school going children. So malnutrition is more in children rather than young. So government has decided to provide that rice first to children schemes. Later government of India has planned to distribute only fortified rice under every scheme by 2024. So it is nutritious rice, more beneficial than the normal rice. So you can't say it artificial. You can say it is a nutritional rice. That is known as fortified rice. So it is good for everyone health. There is no difference between colors, cooking procedures or taste. It is as good as normal rice. So it is a false myth that it is a artificial or plastic rice like that. It is not a plastic. It is not a plastic. It is fortified rice. Yeah, there is a procedure, extrusion procedure. I have shown one video in this program. How it is made. It is made from rice. Rice is grinded just like a powder, rice powder, then mixed with micronutrients. You can say that vitamin powder. Then again, after mixing that, rice like grains, kernels are being made through machines and it is being mixed with the normal rice in the ratio 1:100. in 100 kg of rice, we just mix 1 kg of that fortified rice.